Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will show you how to get started with Bricks, an AI powered spreadsheet app that is refining how you can manage your data. So let's get started. In today's video I will show you all the steps. So let's get started. First of all, you have to move over to bricks.ai, write this address right here. You can see this address. You have to type it through your browser. So if you have ever felt overwhelmed by complex formulas, long hours of data entering, this video is for you. So first of all, you have to head over to this address, then you have to tap on to get started. And if you have previously used Brick AI, so you can also use the login option to log in. Now here you can see you can choose the starter package, business package and enterprise package. Basically these are the three of the services that Brick AI provides. So let's look at them. So first of all, let's talk about how much does them cost. So the starter package costs 500 USD or euro per month, and the business package costs you around 1000 USD or euro per month, and the inclined user is 10 users, the same as the starter package. And lastly, the enterprise package offer you with 2000 USD or euro per month. So let's see what the offers. First of all, the starter package offers the format, this formats. Then you can customize variables. Also, you can connect variables. For example, CSV or .xlsx. Here you can see that. Also, there are other things like user management and rights, adoption statistics, and support included. And on the business package, there's this also supports the docx plus this one with this two, which was also available in the starter package. And customization is also variable, same as the starter package, and also connected variables are also same as the starter package. And here you can see the business package also have user management and rights. Also it has SSO, and you can use adoption statistics and feedbacks. You can add coaching, like you can coach your students. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's tap on to get started again. Okay, so you can also check out the pricings right from here. Also there is their customer service and also your resources like your news or themes, etc. Like this is not your teams, this is a Bricks AI team. You can just connect with them, watch their videos and all these things. Also you can schedule a meeting if you want. You can talk with them, and there are other, like there are reviews of users who have used Brick AI previously. For example, this one, Audrey O'Hayon. As you can see, Brick is the best tool I have chosen to integrate into marketing. So you can just check all these reviews right from here. Okay, you can also contact their sales team. Just tap on to contact sales. There you go. Now scroll down, and you can also check out the Twitter, LinkedIn or YouTube site. You can subscribe to their newsletter site. Okay, now let's go to home page again.
Hello from Bricks AI.
Okay,
I'm going to show you how the
now let's
application
log
works
in.
in 1 minute. Bricks is a web application that helps your
At the
teams
top right
assemble
corner,
their
tap onto the
presentations
login
as
option,
easily as
and
Bricks
then you
would
have to enter your email
select the
address.
relevant
For example,
content
let
and
me
click
copy
Generate
my
to assemble it.
okay, let me type
The
in my
application
email
automatically
address.
finds the variable content, which I can update and personalize in an instant. The application sticks the bricks together.
So
and
there we go. Now
personalizes
let's
the
tap
content,
submit.
creating a ready-to-go presentation.
Now we
I
have
can
to enter
download
our
to review in
passwords.
PowerPoint format. The presentation has been built with the bricks I selected and customized for
Then
my
tap onto
requirements,
this
as you
connection.
can see on these slides. Everything remains
Viewers
editable in
verify
PowerPoint, and depending on the rights that I have, I can navigate
okay,
to different
maybe the
points to
password is
access
wrong.
specific
Okay, let me
content.
just tap
Bricks
onto
allows users
this one.
of content to create personalized and harmonized
Let's
presentations
forget
in
it
a
now.
flash,
Let's tap
while
onto.
creators of
Let's
content
type the
can
password
access
correctly.
analytics to track what's being used and to iterate their products accordingly. That's it. I hope you like the overview. Talk to you soon.
So for now I have clicked on my forget password option. Now let's see what happened. Okay, from Brick AI, now let me explain what you can do with Brick AI. You can, in the information chaos, they have salespeople like who create documents on a daily basis in their own way, marketing struggles to uphold the brand image and pre-sales to ensure the use of the most up-to-date arguments. Bricks provides a solution to this problem thanks to an online software like this. You can also ensure your compliance with your brand image and expertise. You can gain commercial efficiency. You can grow your business strongly. So all these things you can check out their harmonization, trust, productivity, and all other things like analytics, modern collaboration, and tracking. All other things. Okay. So now let's try to log in. So let's create an account for now. And here you can see you can like schedule meeting like this right from here. For now let's tap onto this option. Okay, I have some internet issues, so like you can just go onto Bricks AI. You can buy their premium packages, and that's how we can use Bricks to create smart AI powered spreadsheets without spending hours on formulas or manual work. From generating tables, filtering data, linking spreadsheets, and building charts, all it takes is plain English and all other things. You can get started. You can talk with their team if you wish to. For example, you have to enter your professional email, then you have to tap onto. Here we go. So as you can see, we have sent them message like email, and they will contact with us soon. And you can also check out their like these options like who should use Bricks AI, what are the requirements for Brick AI. For example, nothing in particular as long as you and your users have an internet connection. Okay, and as you can see, you can check out their all these things. As you can see, prices do not include VAT, which is determined based on the customer's billing country. Okay, so that was pretty much it. This is how you can use Brick AI. Like you can just go and buy their packages, and you can get started with it very easily. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video is helpful and knowledgeable. If this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello,
See you on
Bricks
to the
AI.
next video.
I'm going
Till
to show
then,
you how
take
the
care.
application
Goodbye.
works in 1 minute. Bricks is a web application that helps your teams assemble